next is your A14, basically bar Fogny. Okay, start num is very correct. The next position of your space. Space here is appearing at the 5th position. So from 6th position, you are supposed to start num. That's all fine here. Number of cares here, why do you have put as this? I mean, here there's a space. Okay. Why do you put it as the length, the whole length -1, ma?
Ma'am, actually, I got it from Google, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Because does not know about how to find the last name, so I searched in the net and I got it.
Okay. You could
Sorry,
do
my
one
voice is
thing, ma.
not clear.
Got it? I got it. Your point. It's okay.
Oh,
That's okay. Need not talk more. Number of characters, as in over here, you have the total length, which is how much? 10, na? Wait. Bar is 4, 5, 5 and 7. 5 and 7 is 12. Correct? So 12 minus the space position is 5. So 12 minus that one, okay, maybe that you're going to use it in right function. Okay. Even after that, ma, can't I use this? Just something is popping up to my mind, which says, if I do that, I'm going to get 7, ma, right? Your length is 12 and find is going to find the space in, I mean, so find word, find a function is just going to return as the position of space. I'm going to find out space means position of space in that particular string is nothing but 5. 5 is my position. So total length is 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. Okay, instead of all this extra writing, na, I can give you a simple way. Delete everything, just give it 99. Don't worry about anything. 99 is the total, like it's kind of mentioning the maximum length. This much length of characters, it's not there. It has just got 7. So it is just like instead of giving that exact value of 7 or anything, just mention that big range, like a maximum value as maybe 99 or 100 or even 50 is also going to work out for you. Just given a big number. That's more than enough. And then why is my mouse not working? Okay, I had to drag it. I don't know why it's not working, but then let's just copy paste it. It should work now. Okay, is it working? Yeah, it is very much working, ma. Got it? I'm just doing some here trial and error. As for instead of dragging it, I'm doing that. It's not working for me. But then if I just have this 99, a big value, it's going to work out very well fine for me. Don't worry about it at all. People who have done the right function, that's also good. Like I guess you have done first one is A16 and then in the right function means your total length minus the space position, that if you're doing, you are going to get the value. Am I right? That's what people, maximum of the ones who have used the right function, we have used that. Right or wrong? What I'm telling?
ma'am, can you please show me the last name with the right function?
Sheila?
Ma'am, could you please
Yeah,
repeat them?
Okay, okay. Hold on.
I came now, ma'am. I just came.
Okay. Equal to right. Okay, my text is what? Bar Fogny. Anyway, it's very horrible today. Maybe this particular one. Anyway, leave it. A14, comma, number of characters from the right of the string, that is, or from the end of the string. Over here, I'm seeing it as 7. Now, few of them, one particular assignment, I don't remember who was it. Manually, they have written here as 7. They have counted 7 and I have written here. Then the next one, they have counted this as 10. So A15, comma 10, don't do that. Okay, if you're doing it, it's the most incorrect way. I guess I have mentioned the review comments also. I should find a mechanism or a like a strategy to just put in, find out the values or the second name or the surname, what's the length of it? I need to have some mechanism which is going to work out for all of those 7 to 8 names. It should work out. So how am I supposed to do is, um, okay, my len of this A14 is going to give me the value which is 12. If I open the right function, see here, and wait. Okay, first one is A14. In here, if I say len of A14 means it's going to return us 12. Okay, number of characters here, len of A14 is what? 12. Total is 12. BARR is 4. Space is 1, 5. Fogny is 7. So 5 plus 7 is 12. Here, the value over here is 12, means the whole of it has returned. But I want just this second part only, the surname only. But how to do that? My space is appearing at the 5th position. So I need to enter that. Minus find space in A14. When I do that, I get the value as 7. So 12 minus 5 is your 7. I get the answer as Fogny. If I repeat this over here, is it working? A common mechanism is very much working for all of them. So what it does is, like your len, for each of this, it's just find out the total length of that particular string, and from there the space position is being subtracted. Whichever is your space position doesn't matter. When it just subtracts, you get the length of your surname. So length of that surname is obviously that many characters you want to return from that whole string using right function. Is that okay? Once you have, just instead of writing this particular formula, you have calculated manually for Fogny as 7, for a cross weight as 10, cockshoot as 9, and so on. Don't do that. This is the way you're supposed to do. All okay?